Adom 106.3 we show them right now see pay mo pepe me gidi say no pay wo ho ye yen so ye nyina obi a ho ye pa said it we an be say we have to na otobo ase and then many people how you need control also. You be yan say you be share ye ho ye nasa no ane say you be share ye ho so ye na asa ya re no owo ogusu asa obewo ho onye na dwen say obekọ into no the dro no the minim the ebe sibiom ni di obi abetimi aye efa yare no ho apart from say ebe boy ho ba ye no na me hwe Boris Johnson e wo UK what you say why confused on one sama honka oka ko nanim no aka ba na chi no aka ko na chi no aka ba nanim chese what you say who exactly what to say and what to do. The rules being tin the aba said they won't way say. But if you listen to his address, it tells you that he's part of all the leaders around the globe. Who dear 1 year. I said, Obi a train obi. Yare we have a man who's obi a di obi ntete said then when ya met me you to be. A man acquired to say one shall be say if we are said we are seeing him more. If we say Obi a ni ho say ya na onim se be prayer kodu sei akomhyefo akase e wo wiase mu ha wo hye nkom nyina no wa ye nkom trofo TV Joshua Kraka say March 27th abeko yo May and call ye and they May 12th entino said ye yade ne city and virus ne city no one year the baby my head immunity. 1 year we are saying no economies are locked down, womb ban near the win and umbejae. Winyankwa, who are no 1 year. Sana bekono, sana mihuno. Say we and young commission a maybe prediction. San Sha said the political parties are Kasemi no woman who had a Shima Jatumsi about Twabano. Womi enu no ye o ma pene se ye beto aba. I'm telling you it is woman nya kwaje womi enu na pene se ye beto aba nde na chere se isi so say and then new voters register no obeye no and then the president any choice as after 31st or lifting ban on social gathering no ni ekoto aba ekotro yindi eno koba ne saade a each one for himself, God for us all. O show mask city to ntem se no bebo wa na boa o ne niam ti de be kwa kosense ye be jaye wonu me be wonu a ye betena se ne atena se sanu wa ye wadwe ibiase ni nyanye ye hanko ase apem Wuntimint na also nhwese economy numbungum around the globe. Wuntimint so nhwese unkrofo so nkwa abonten na wonkonko. Wonso a wuntimi hunu de wonye ho nti de beba ne se wo de ye yenje ngum. Enti no unama na obo ho ban te se de ye kana. Nti wo de social distancing na just take it serious. Na yenyen sa ne yenko na fe mobo chenku no enso yenja hayi. First nanka yen kra no na yedi wache yedi bom yejai cause eating in public places need together no ya jai because ya pu obi a baby offer but ni nyina mu no hye so say bye Sankra to a Carex in collaboration with the Ghana Medical Association, Nedebray, and Carex kills 99% of bacteria. Say yes to life. Deloitte, you got more. More? I need more. A life soap. Soap can save your life. Use it. Magdan Shipping Company Limited, your total logistics partner. Petrosol, a delightful experience. Hollard Life Assurance, we've got you covered. One of the swastin idea no de brew, but I no pay more money than a fish and so say Obama Nes cafe ni be a bang. The Ushin so she go to 3-1. No, we am the dead. Now what me started strong, no, I finishing very, 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 very strong. Tenya dear say what did you grow cry? Shannon Sumami sir. Societe General. The future is you. Agbeva Herbal Center where you're Safi latest from your partner for life. Omuna Eswasnia Yadena Posona de Bro. I go share bedru that. Obi do me and so. Ewa. I go be very fine. Adom who are here so. Now also. You gugum in their fortune.
Yes, some more. I mean, boy, I hope
Edu,
are you?
BBI fine there.
Radiadon, BBI come on. Me pesa do si catch Ghana for say no. Nemu magana for ntias one hu ya ubi. Gidiemu yempa bonus will be Antoine and one said do. Ne bibia bekotote. Nemu msampanyu for the normal to kwanso say one casa fabo on na ye wadwene se wonye na akoye ho agyeman wonkwa na we bema eti de beka bia wontie hyedem woni ba bia akwa da wo se menye emenko ni padudum wo se meko uko ni padudum ahye mask wo se menhye wo horo wonsa wo se menye sanitizer wo se menyusu chese de open na wo ye na ne kwadwo wo ye sa de a wo enye gidi wo bewu wo so ebesiu
Depa 25 spend ebesiu
Say I ran po de ne be ku a obusuafo ohun ofunu.
Say I ran as ofunu ya bindia.
Say I ran ne be ku a ofunu kura ye hu.
Ya bindia.
Be sie ne say obeto atwene o. So obehye no yenim.
Asemu.
Tinye se wo e be sie wo e do ofunu be che.
Asa de e konde wan hwa. Ban on social gathering there.
There was a check, ban on social gathering. No, I was a check a crack, a mamutity, and round Comobia Namudi say, no manager home passing Yankopon dinner. One kind some conco shiamu and son of Motimia from me. Was it back, baby, a back one, a benu, a shabby, and I may ho. A banu and I may say she, I will wish your phone, Kwamushi, I could have met bomb high. And the uncle she asked her them one.
I said, right, your free goom, a friend, a founder. Your friend and yes, say the AI say sorry nene asofu ni nyina asem ya wokan yi obi ayi wamo and also the nyame na akentu nka sabiu
o se nyame ka den ya mon kan bi
o se nyame se o mama mpanyini eye kwasi ada etwa na no kwasi ada na nsa ne kwasi ada edi kokosi kwasi ada edi animin so o mpene tutu mpene no a en sorry na wam ye de ada bampo na tumu no wonko bie entisa nyame nnome ebebo o man ne so
Everybody in Yesu.
Ebebo man so. So no na epanyini. Enti ebe sha se aboa bi e profinity. Ti ebe sha se afini so. Na aba na be de echi, na ekeka ministers, na ekeka DCs, na ekeka appointees, na ekeka sa na afia bedru me na okwadwo. Ene situation. Some me di kaka me de. Abedru me ne kwadwo ena situation.
Debi ebedru me so no say wa hwe Nigeria movie na ne kanayo. Munyina mbewu abeka ono
omuda
ono bewu las
de wongu okwa so de makwa kwaje nkwaje
okay me sofu bi say wono obompa say nipa bi ankare urade nya American movie mujak obekum nipa nyina wono kwa etutu obo na omuda woto ono asore etu a ewo frama fo
bi akwa ahoma no so na
wo de kobra ko
enra na pictures bi wo Dwaso ye page o akwada ketwa ye tutu da chinam na
ehu ya anya ni ya ka say photoshop
ya me
Wama me ho ewu.
Pacho.
Ma hu.
Man sorry.
Unim mentimi ahwe ni video na ya bandage na chi no ensi. Na phone na kita me no kro. Say minim say dey say bia wa na.
Ya na awosie gu.
Na ye week na ma ye week me joint na ye week me. Something. Some nipa bitimu ade nipa bitimu.
Ma me kwa homa no so na me ne eja Franka mankwa akwada ne wo fa no. Eja mankwa wote me nka ma che.
Yeah.
Na bibia e bokode e.
Na ko ba no ma ja.
Na akwada na ye kana asem sese ne ho tesai.
Onyanko pa no ye.
Den ne si ye me na chi ne yes ano.
Me ba nsa me nda nyime ne bra no so abo apam no. E na me nsa ne nya ba ne fa me say. Obi afa na fi ebu okrum e fla wo say akwa ne papa no e bo no. Ti mo kana me nyini. Enti akire na wo say fa me na mzo kene za dia wo mra ma yem fa enko. Enti atasi to the bono e so e ko won ye ko ye no. Won fa me no say akra na da. Tininka se na was me asma wo kana na me nyini na e ba e ko bokrum police station ko report we. No me ya put me e ba na mo wa ti hu yi. Police ni ba ko. Ene so rata na sa akra ni mu ayi. Won so fe was da me pa cho ye me ya. Na chi ye me ya. Ada ni hu ze. Papa no abona ma ko na chi. Apa. Who is that on the end? So I found what the bed and I wear a bonnet. No matter what the bed and a bone.
Or the wire and the belkuta.
And a bonnet, and I no matter what the bed and a bone.
Na I say I could answer your bonnet bay.
I can't tell a person I saw them.
And then I saw it in the summer and over bono, not bonnet ben and a wire. I can't sword in the huntia or the benkuta born a momaso. Na chi otutu na chi dam na sa no
Papa nka sa nyem no ye de call police station o ma stamp ko bo dey hoko my love police ni ba obi sa o kan sa na kwa ni mi pa o cha uka e do ya me pa o cha na ma so do jan so de bo no
sa me hwe na chi na e wire ban a
e dey mi ntimi hu e za kwa za wire na bed
akola no won fie sei
o won fie mi ensa
akwada won fie mi ensa
April ya no nya fie mi ensa this month here last month April no nya fie mi ensa
okay ne ma me wa he
ba dan ma mo hospital won
one akwada na ma me na tie
akwada ma me no wo bonnet o feel of them ba ka on pa me no mebi oni ni nuwa no hu na che o akrento e mo beje ne ko ya okwan ne sa
enti nyo ne maame ne netie wo magya ya wade ana so ne na wo keke
akwan no no ane ti ni fi of Ghana no beje no
na mo amuso papa ne mu no menim se bia papa ne kasa ya na mu hu no no ka bibi kire mu a de ade ko deport akwada na yenti a
ye so no mu da wan ka ya che na che principal no e ma equity di chomo mbbu na nza na wo ka fe e wa na ye ni sa e ba zia di afane ko hospital wonu
modern ko en doctors say den na chi na bia ne ba bia pra na kwa ba bia bu ana sadan
enyi na chi nko wudi ni jawn man wo je kofom tida ola akwana mu nyina na wo de wa ya ni bia bo ma no nyina ye yiku na akwa ni ntimi nyina ne nan so
na
ene no mzo mkwa kutwa scan afi wonya infect jiwa na chiwa
ono so ono ane ba na emra obu no obi ani ho
na o ma me no no ma me ni so keka na boy na ebe bono ene ma o ma me ni suloi
mfie miensa
ta mfie miensa
Kroben so asam na ye ka sesei
koni asam si ebo krom line ben ko Roman faso na na achiruwa
line haya Kumasi bo krom haya
That's right.
Roman fast one than ya who we.
That's right. Roman fast one than why
Papa, your friend is saying.
You're very. If it is an abuse.
This is do a post for Kukum. Mamenda was a German qua. Quadan fear me and sa Ewofa. Franka Mankwana at 7 and a Casana. Minim Bonea Quada would fear me and Sabit me a ya. Ya day wire. And a benkuta and a belt. Babono. Me.
Ujidi say a branch and BBI pepe.
Toda ya na yes ane de akofa.
Ya akofa honum ni.
Debbie T.
Yes, me question I say.
Because it doesn't make sense. Akwada wedding fi sha miensa. E de be bone nko an obe ya sebe obi a na adwene mu da ho. Pa a ya chim na wo na bosom nko. E be na adwene say one or the bankuta. Two or say ko fa wire de aka ho.
Any belt.
E de abo akwada wedding fi sha miensa.
Akola no boni nyina ne se woni mpa cha woka ene woni maso oden eka
na me pa cha wo no akwara no ofiri ho anu wahuka se wan cha akwada na obede wahuka me pa cha wo ton no odwam no akotobi
no papa na me pa cha no ka ne mpra he di
what you say
akola no it's unfortunate say video no nanim e bai intenye video ebetimi dia to out because also or minor and or sign a victim to want to me show nanim na uhu video na mitimi hwe nsiye me bie na ye ro na tire na me hu akire na bibi ye me na se me hometi adai edie be nko a nipa de bi wo no mu a wo hunu de ntia nyankopon ma wo hunu de ntia nyankopon man ono so sabi otimi wu bie onye sebi onye nipa wonye kaniba wasanka onya ba nko otimi tutu okuma aboa eme kasa ne bani cause onye nipa nye sa amobrewe aboa ban kra na obewa ache ne bawe tese na ne ese okra wo che ne bawe na tete enen ekra kra wo nche ne bawe enti sa wu nipa desani wutimi wo na wo ye wo bese ya adai ka akwada hu na asade ka abono adai bone ben kwa no be ya wutimi ya kwada ya kayaka de sa minim se video ne betima ye ho bibia ye be yi nanim no na we na free mu a wo be hu na chi no nko a
esa you want to be I want to nya ho bibi on be pa kwada nanim Max na ye kan
Debbie Max ni muja no so the two
on Facebook form pe
on be flag down why on be broken no because am for hu no mo de kana se nanso esan emra wo Facebook ntino mo fanche o nanim ne kra de nke betimi de ade ato nke betimi abele
no so ase ye be expose ne sa na ya homete enti se woni obi tifie na se obi wo bro no so na hu se wa sha se ya yakayaka de bi editi akwada sa wo de bo modern ne ko police station ko dosu ne ko ba ma ko do nya sam kitwa me se be sisi akra me kan wo se agume me hu
me hu se can answer be tro ho say ish what happened but my main kwa ho mano so da ye ne ACP Kwaku Boa Menshia Police Commander ACP what me kan da mama chen
Muso bu na mum wala no e se de ujina tamale na unya kasa no e mo kete
line na it said me jina tamale no say ya kakra
bajo kasa metie miwa
bajo say de ya kakra
aha mo waya de
me da so aband akwada ketu a wanya mfie miensa na chi na matutu madam e ba ne sen
de umni se akwada no ne maame ene ne papa omo nante ache ewo odo kwan so but enye aware kwan so omo ware beye enfemi nsani na akwada no nyame de no dum omo na kanena nke maame ne tin be bi ena kwan so tin be bi awo ba mu ena omutu betena be ma ne fie wo Bokrum estate ha baby enti
enkutem bi anso ne ho a ya entawanta kakra nim enti maame de ose ontumi ne ntena bio onware no enti se ontumi ne ntena bio ma se na kese kwa na okọ ne baby enti ewumu a weekend bi ana papa na befa akora no kọ ana maame de na kọ papa no weekend ni choma na wasan bi di maame no sa na omaye for some time esan se maame ne se oni papa no ntena bio nti sa na yehu se sa ebufuo no ene ma sa da no sa sem ne baaye no na se mo mahu pictures no
patron yehu
hello
patron yehu pa
pictures mo hu
patron an yehu
sisi amino ka say ano o the hospital menye doctor na so wo hwese de akoda na pira na ne mo maso sei chese ne omkoye scan na omomu se piano ankomu ana se obatan be matan na ubu ubaseya ya na ahomte pa papa na che kukum ene ya de docket ne ko electronic allocation na the court be katre no makatre de no
wadama o papa no otimi kira de ko deport akwada na ye nti oye no saa
masa de okay bi antosumu on say akwada ondi nhwe dumienu emrase onye bone nothing is a crime which is done by a person under 12 years now we only 3 years akwada 3 years the bone be no oye okay funny say or the phone be agro or the phone na hwefom akwada wants to train ana 3-year-old boy obuna ma na chinam na tutu aba boni ben pa na sa akwada ketewa ni mu a waya enti papa wa wo ba wo afina wo katre police for say obunsam tutu ni ba bio in masa me the boni akwa ni ye is immaterial akwa 3 years onye boni phone no odi to baby enkenisa beka enti fani say o phone e diagram na ko low battery fani say o do phone ko akɔhwe boso e ho aso twani pictures and so we are enu kwa de mu hu ni na say won ga u nya ho na yi akwa na set na onam na tete aka mu na akwa yi tiem enti me ko na ko ya on say o de junction val takekam enti na epie ye de ye ni mo maso kro nu ko an enti ye say ye ma no so afi na osu na me say ye na ye no junction val na pie akra ne shirt ni mu ye ko yi shirt ya masa e time now ji enti masa me de esi no no minia
na papa no say or the den ye ne wo akoda no wo fakasa o say papa no say or the wire or the belt or the benkuta pacho menim se mabusa na den or the di akoda na ewusa no
o de aba na bu no na sa de o de bu no onyantre say ye wire entina o wo ye kukum fi enura no edikan de hia ne say yenhwe akwa na pomudin if you say health is wealth na pomudin ne hia yen ono jitum say wabono ekini bia ne ho na so de enfian so de belt so de wire na obu wa ba ai me enura kra na de say bakwa hwe akora no pra na we pra no but mame fa kwanya we su na me nda me hia hospital for na se omojina omona so ahwe akora na man pa ye gidi ye se nyame kan ho na se omko scan ne ba enko ekiri
Enti akoda na ho ye kakra.
Oh, anope masoma me see the phone so mo cost so nko hwe no. Me sure say bebo be 7:30 80 dey na menye moaye. But eno ade na ho ye. Eno nwibra a ye ba besia kofi be 7:30 80 nwre no dey na ho ye. Na anope na minim me see the new okọ investigator no call hospital ho. Me sure say imo papa beba. Yenya ntinka boni bia na kese no ye.
One ne maame no entam nwa na
ena me kaje say oba ne se ontumi ne ntena bio oba ne se ontumi ne ntena bio nti okọ ne bed ena oba no eni fie ho bio se dem di kan kan na eno anu no enye se boni bia na akwara na ye oba no se ontumi ne ntena ho bio mu na o na so opa oba akọ na ko ye ne ho ade dada wo ne ntena yi abisi sabi untum ye ne ho ade o se okọ ne ba bia na odi ho bufu kwa kobo ba prepare ne sei
na minim se bia mo ne maame ne kasae na abrante ne tenten ne nsa wono so obuna dada
abaya no minyi ni se papa no betumi abu no sa ma na prepare sei because onu so yan na so be ma no o ye fia te se mia hu nti se eba se one bani gina se entokwa emu be din na mde kan kan no aware enkutam bi bia ne ho a santa wan tawon keten ni binim eno de ewum aware bi ewum enkutam bi ewum any relationship you have this small issues sani mantina obanu se ontumi ware bi mu
esi fi mamenda wase bibia se
chi was miss me da se pa nya mi nshiramu eni juma pa mu die
shiramu so
na
ade no kra fa me na senka me busa no ya baaya na one ne mpena nka omkokunu kunu no se menhia hwa
se nra
bema no pa choma ne
enra bema ne se ne yere ne de onye mfomso na emum kocha pia no ena di bibia ye ne yere ne ntu ne yere na ase ye de aduru achim na adwene
basa de
etini ye fa nche oba no enra ayi bema na otuna no mutuo wose ye fa nche ba no
tie ade de
wono ana de na de
nya ba ko pe na de
ade de
kwadwe tie wo ono ana de na de
ade owo bata ho se
ene wo ba no pese wo ku no ono na ye ne nkwa ene wo se mo fa nche oba no na nya oba na nia
krobi wo central hayai ye koye Christmas no Easter convention wo ho na also ye call Christmas Easter conventions na first no ye the end to two school them ebia district we mumu fi ha na aba mumu school dan we
of block A block B
convention kwa na ye wo kwan ho fi ye ko Cape Coast baby ye convention na wo sa benkum so na efie na wo de ye nko me na nam kosum na ye yete efie ni mu no at the next house papa ba kwa kan yira hyedem onya hweketwa ehwie mu oduro obu no papa ebro na no ohye it's that time na ye wo sofo bi wo the Rampon district ye friend TK Tando it's na ono no ye call Easter convention bia okọ district do bia ne crofo ne members ne wo no uchi won so sa anti obehwe bia me nanam wo ena ombe pie so said the papa si
odum ne yire no
wedum na ma me no waye ba bi we woni ma do bo no said nse wo said den ena obi anu so twem ofie ofo na bi as a compound house bi sa na ofre police for number oba ya obisa papa ne say obi asoma awolo obi asoma wa
hwan ne bisa papa ne sa
ma me no
de abono
no awolo obi asoma wa
ene obisa
the ofre police for number
as far as we offense
awolo obi asoma wa etina me shedem na me kekeba ma aka chodo obi aborom
so
na pass for now o se den na we pro se mate ahwe mala ma abofom
oba odo kunu
mala ma abofom
na unze akoi me kai se na se ye story bi e man bi tu se ni kunu bona na uwie no krokra na kuma to ne yem
mala ma abofom bofom bibiara nya bibiara mmorom afosi fo mfi ango
unse ye mental health system nankasa eni ho ye libi
enti the crowd patch is it
you can be bro ha touch
many are mad but you are naked
many are mad abaka na handle pay
many are mad
but on a more serious note I think sir the way you treating kwalawo ye part of the world you know yo
it's sad
we your mind be aso a wo ba no hu ni biam obi kan for deba and deba in your life akwada no hu no biam
krada
hu ni biam but we no
we obenya panyini biam na tutuntuma
there be possible
aka ho chacha wa begina so be pache
adeba kon sese ehu pa
e bia police one na entiase kwadwo mese
na make to
obenya sori panyini bi akuta bible so de ba betwitwa age no
anya menhia police
no boa me wafa no ya ne na wote ba ko
minima de kuna wo wa transfer mo ba menhia police station ho no baby kro mo ko mo training menhia police station wo boa
well buy
na something
ye twa sane da
na something
ena ho no entima kase bia nso nche entima na wasa menhia police no eni menhia ahimfie na bom
say ewo ahimfie onsani fa so na
enti wodim ntima fra wo ntima papa enche menhia ho na police station nisi enti ho ye mpacho wo eno police station so nya
eno
tofo bi ufra na ukona na mbim ho no
na botra ma ominimu na ho na repeat sa statement
police station aso enya fe wo minim se
krokrowa
never hear kokrowa
nti otisi ma na osi na mbim ho
any fire service for road there so the yob sit akwan pe de twa wo
nti ofra twa na de kokum kwasi adwuman ho let's what TSC shinola echi ho
emem ho de wonim ho
o se emem se no mtabe so
wonim mem ho emedudu esi wanyina wonim de ase akokwa nyina wonim
asoma ye kan mention police station asam what is it
na femeti aye what TSC mem ho no what TSC mem ho na akwakoye
dey you go try be
yan Dwaso
na ne won say your system no your social welfare system no nye papa akwada idea be ni busuani bi ne be pe no se onyene no ne nkonkotena eno so kra no papa ne say ye de ne kokotumu abi a emfie mienu mfie miensa na so san ba abonte oni be bi akwala ne ti
dem sa akwa no ne maame na ti o be ma ne se akwa ne medi holidays won nchen keke nye so ne akwa ne na ti o wo medi holidays na holidays mponie na ne obetan chan afi body and so obetini dia no
so obetena on ne nchen won ton ne nchen no ne access to akwada na sem ne yeken say wakwa dem kra bana ne bo ene ne bo afu mo no na access to akwada no
ye be sheda be kaso enna
social system na ne papa
no ne papa
we dey ya moja ena be ma na ne ba oba de oso anokwa enti social system no ena wo se ye nu yie social welfare system no this is the time man ka wasanke social welfare system no akwada otisa na waje no na akwa kwakwo said na no e ka se nke ye oman bi so a na nka waje no na wahwe no na social welfare no kromu ni dan wo mo resure mo onye ba bi ntina popotwa bi wo mo resources kakra bi enti obeye dan akwakwaje obi ba so oba abehwe no hen wo de na ekwa akwotena
asemo
onye baby odene kwa akwotena panyin na onso ntimi fa ne kwankotena ne fie
wonim edrum na ho esese ye sheda ma obi harsh sentence so ya akoda sa because wonim enkoda no from day na ye wo no na no kusi afedo womo ye so innocent to an extent say bibia wo wiase bia ye papa tisa akoda sha ase so owia ade bia obefa bia ode che nanum Efi 1.5 years kono akosi 5 no na dwen no a start for me epic images a ebetimi a last aboa no na sua de no wasua ne yie it is a mobile phone said that wo the tower so na wo ka hello no person the same thing said all the phone to no unya the same thing. Who said maame ekoja ho. Enti office jaya de papa. Opeso de nsa kokanja. Who said dey sija so de maame som na wasoe na de asi ho. Opeso ye bi. At that material moment no, adria what the team in said they were bia no eye.
There's osua from the environment.
Osua from the environment.
The immediate environment and bibia ben bia no.
Minim soja ni pani bia or kwan of faso as bia odru fia oyi ni side arm de to. Dakro okudware. O penentem no wasa ba be hye na tade yakọ. Bebia ode ade na to ye na akwada na wo 4 years no wagina konwa so. Eyi side arm na bullet wom no. No ode ahye na ta so te se de ne papa ye no pepepe. Papa na ba na ohwehwe saa ohu oyi ya na ode nse wo ya hye no we rolling say that's how you do yours with that woman papa. No who said there be so gro ho adakro.
Baba no ati obiti.
Asembesi. Yes system no. They said they are question kan ye nin krofo wo hye da nya botre kire yen said ye wo.
Na won so kwadwe ye kire.
Ye kire.
Sexual development.
I want your enterprise so.
I was so you know sexual development.
Maybe I'm sure they say I want your kire no. Mama nche wade. Oh say just a wu nipa no to ho na no. Na tese we wi o.
Yes nyame ne hwe nipa.
It's not true. Nyame onhwe nipa obo nipa ho ban.
Nti na say asem na na nanom kai na nya.
Before yen time na nyame bo nipa ho ban no wasan hwe nipa. Ba ojai man na ne tope no ojai se ohwe nipa. Na ode ban bo ne pe ba to ahon. Eti me na sese me hwew. Me na sese me tetew. Me na sese me ma waduane di. Me yen awofo no yen na sese ma baabi da. Na nyame abo ho ban aka ho asa. Ba ye ha no wonya wo ne to hwa. One nemu sa be hu ansa ode anyini. Eti hwe hawa yede nkoda nipa kura ma wade kurum ha. Ebia owo be 14, 15, 16, 17. Yesi obi wuska, obi atukwan waba, obi yesei, ofi abrochiro so firi hin na abo. Yesi opede na ye ne yakukuru nipa no, ne yede na ma no se kowa no. Eti the process of learning to become a wife is even cut off.
Na se kantete na bragro no. Nebwa.
It's even cut off. Nti obetimi anyini. Na the rudiment e wo mu no na onim. Akwada no ya wo na abeto ho no. Ese se wutimi sua. Se de akwada wo dana wa wo na akosi bosome miensa se no mu behave.
Ene de omusua.
Wodim se minya psychologist bi. Ewo Tampa General Hospital, Tam and wife wo ye no. O try mia menene kasa ya ba o ma me hu akwada wo 6 months and it ye na how they behave. How they behave. Se ni ti na ye na ya se de omusu. Se ne yam na ye na ya how omusu no omoye omo. Na o kire kwa kosita ma wanya 5 years a. Wo ka chen se da obeda. Tena obetena. On se akwada awe odi 1 year. Wo ka se tena se a. Ye de ntiatem na ye. Jai bon se osre. Office on ni di agro. Sa nyeme we na we need asese yesua. But we just get up. Na ya nyem na ya wo.
Kwadwen.
Minim sike.
Asem ya okay, nya bayra browaju. Ghana ha.
Enta wo hu ajai. Wontimi nya.
Tie di America na Ghana ha amanfo pressure wo kru na afa no kosua se dia isinyem, se dia akwara bosome, se dia akwara bosome isia, se dia masa.
Kumina ho hia psychosexual development.
Ho hia. Oh.
People obi o hon ma ye ne den a wo ye fi.
Akoi menkasa ho hia.
Ma de o ye fi nyina ye wo no, that free die ye wo no kokosi bosome miensa se de na ye change ne ho.
Simple.
Die ye wo no no. Bon so junso kakra bi nti.
Na da pa na kato.
Na da pa na atare ne to. Sa akwala no ye ne den wo.
Obe ye fi. Obe na bi rasha ye ne to hu ina bebre.
E fi nya ne tan. Enye wanyi onyi ye na obesua ye o. Nti na wo buru no no.
Entite.
Eye da ye wo no no. Ekokosi bosome miensa se de wo change ne ho.
As any woman be a true book be My Child My Heart. Or my name's either a British or American. Or that true books pa My Child My Heart. What kinds of book na? Colors across almost and kola ko certain colors particular colors psychologically what the air form or margin.
Color, yeah.
I'm telling you,
red, yellow, green.
I'm telling you, that is why Osama bin Laden Kwadanketin Muslims Osama bin Laden Kwadanketin Ketata won Kokum Osama bin Laden no fa won do America no. The colors they were always moving towards was dark brown. Dark brown represent wickedness. They were always walking towards dark brown. Anything dark brown or more interest.
White.
No, what is white?
Blue.
What is blue?
Green.
No, what is blue?
Pink. Wow, color.
Don't go for it. So even time I walk na we dim fie mi ense kono so bi tin untin yi. Be very critical. E won niam akwada ne ko ho. E den no pe. Den na man sere. On se unim se akwada nke to omumuna, ombufu. Akwada wanye ne butumi fu. Adaba tiwe moment den si ye ma ne bufu ye. Adaba kwa se parent bi a hye ne so se so wo akwada keto a wono wo na obi anya ne hwe se bo se ye kan e didi agro na den na obu afu yi obi ayo bibi ye bibi na akwada ne nsere. It's a way of moving the child from that particular stage and say ebufu no enye so wanya na say be ka ne ho wo be no 1 year but or the chance for 1 year it's ojaya very difficult
and as a radio ni akoma make panyini ya wokobo obi so tro ne ya and once ba na ma say me ba ne de ondu ni akoma ntia mu bi anyje no
man be a friend of Martin Cadman what trouble with principles of raising my child Oye Bruni or 12 or 12 yes you just
and then
okay
and to the ochna ne ato we no so
and I just had you
eh ya but
you better
Daily Graphic Democrat wa ha
yankoso
ya mo won tetew Democrat foni a wode bae Justice Isifu Imoro Chanko Amadu Justice Clemens Jackson Honyenuga omienu ene da ha no mo a obi a hye ne nose mask na vetting committee ye wo omemra so edum na woni wo edi nkomo ya enkomo a ye dia na uche ye kase bona no papa na de sere ya wode atudwa ne se nipa ni bia won bone a wo mo ye ya ne nhyeda moro so nchen so bia enso wadamu a ni nyina ka ho na ma ye nedua fe na ye ma no nti nkie nhwe na ye nya wo mo na papa ye afa ka ho bi obi wo ho no ma area na wote no nku nipa da wontwe sekan da enso ye de ne kwatum area ho dwo adwo no wode o hata wata de awaji wode wo wadua ni si wo wakodi obi adua na dua de kora no na ne yam hyehye ne sanso obekọ no watwa eti ade no kwatum ne wom se wonku nipa o enso area ho adwo pa nti sa nipa ne bu ho no mo a
sekadua ne nko anti de na chese kom ne de no area mo fo no mo
na kom ne de no no abie
da bi yetim na den
nye yetim na den nipa bi su akwadwofo
da bi won se lockdown ba yi se obi a wo baby otimi ko na nso ye koma nkrofo bi aduane de ye obi ho a ye kom keke na de no akọ
na nipa ne bi enkwa ni ba bonefo omo a homete papa wonu a onfa sekan ma wada no odidua yu mobile phone
na ye wo judge bi wo circuit court o Kumasi friend justice Amoyate na ba be kasem ya kire wo de reforming obi a wadi bone obi a ne yese oye kromfo keten bi hawa otimi reforming
Amoyate mi no
good nipa ne se e kom na de no and a man koyesa
ba kwadwe bi hadwe
no ebi hadwe I agree
minimum obi a offense court ye ni kodina court man 7 years abusuafo ne se judge na je bribe yo 7 years ni so
ahati
e ka omo na wa ma
wonim se e ma na ebo ba sibra no obi o ho a ye genuine ahokere no de yesa yo go fa ebi
passion na ye business enye genuine ahokere bia
berima ba fojo ne doctor foachro berima kwesi amankwa
odibiayo
what ensano na wadro ne sa no oye national coordinator ma NGO coalition on the right of the child ejama nkwa wote me nka ma che
just match me jo so na wa promo
obade adaroma yenso ye ho ye na wonso
the radio sepa yenso ye ho ye pa
opani ye wo mra ye wo act ahodo bebre ye wo bibi e friend children's act Edem pan a wom eka say wo hame akwada wo expose akwada to violence. Wo de nyabota me boss wa wo baby ame pa kire. Bo ayen act na say
That's it. Children's Act now. Boniba has a funny inspiration from the Convention on the Rights of the Child. Now, the Convention on the Rights of the Child says, "Abofra biya human writer dipe biya wono abofra nso will be." Inti abofra wo kwan se ye bon ho ban, abofra wo kwan se ochre na dwene, abofra wo kwan se de owo yin bi opeso ye no ye man kwan na oye. And I have so and I say, yes, in Adia can say, I set your bomb of Franco Bine, a free entity, and I said, near my Boko or Haumo, and near my Boko a Hotimo, and near my Emo Mapomo being Encoso. Into right, you know, a university said, with a new one join Namia Cramming, and Colabi and the money, especially, and I say, and Colaye and Nipabia, they are unique in their meeting. Because they want to explore, they want to experiment, they want to try and see. If maybe an Uncolani daily is different, and the money you make from Penny 40.
But your Wadaruma, say, Equabana, say, or Phobi, Epijan who put to prove to say the year can wahey. Saquada, William Fiemi and Sape. Ufi said a sword thing, and now I am from Swore. That's a obrimuna act na say
that's it. Ye act na ye friend say corporal punishment no. Corporal punishment no kra no act no in a portion is criminalized. It say let's say oye owofo let's say ofa ba to na de bobo ba act no say sa owofo no emran betimi ni wedi. In prepi ni ya na sansem we no e ma bontin ma yente anase ma bontin ma yehu but enkwala se bi honya akukudro anase omonye nimdia omotinya report o mawofo no aya na emra no mudipa enche kura ya software e friend say obi ni say wakone wakobo enkwala bi wa so dem unse act ni di because eni kwan say oyesa de nti awofo no wo kwan say ultimate no ba no nzu ni kwan say obeye na yakayaka de a de ne beko atiti mo nti eno no utiamra outright
akwai to say yen ye hai no se biribi sa sia ya na asa act na nkasa no yenhwe na yato na sawram menim se bia so for ena oni akade na se adwuma no sebe won tiasia
eya na emprepi no enkrofo anaso ma kibia se ne kodo eya na emprepi no muma yente asem no de wa me atenso a na ekoba se bi obo ma mi girafa na papa girafa na ebusunafo nso girafa na yemfa nche enkosiesie ofi na so emprepi no do ni kan say we forget about the psychological and the trauma akola no ebinya no enkwala sa ne se uye omu ayakayaka de sa na edi omu trimu dem ema emu yiase mbetine nyina de bia na sa dem no ewo ho no no ya na mprepie ne a yenwene nkwa chisa enti act no ye kire se wa bebi sa ejambranse mse no ese mrane ni udi na ni di yie pa na nsu mprepie no aya na enkrofo eye ne se society we have accepted it. If you yenyaman ka yes boni say ni kwanti jaman ka say ye na ekoye asudie e mankrofo a omo pepa say anaso mo adwenboni say ombeye sa na man epia mofra
na yenhwe ni say yo wo ya bra boy mu aya na ye say eye kom ya na ye say eye say ya na ye say ni akeka ne ma bebri afafrem pacho aso obia na sese yama no kwan se onhwe ba
enye obia na yama no kwan se onhwe ba sebio na yewo abofra yesi abofra yewo no to obuhiem enti imprepi no ye bibia fe ne se 4th Street na sɛ mmara no ɛsɛ na sɛ yɛhu sɛ ebi a panyin bi anaasɛ ɔwofoɔ bi wɔ hɔ a ɔntumi nhwɛ ne bɛyi a aban wɔ mmara sɛ ebi obetumi agye abɔfra no na yɛadi kan hwɛ abusua nim ɛho sɛ obi wɔ hɔ a obetumi agye abɔfra no ahwɛ nanaa na sɛ yɛhwɛ abusua nim na sɛ obi antumi a yɛka sɛ we cast our net wide to see sɛ yɛkuro no mu nso obi wɔ hɔ a obetumi ahwɛ abɔfra no anaa na sɛ obi gye tum sɛ obetumi ahwɛ abɔfra no a ɛno yɛyɛ mmara wɔ ho na yɛde abɔfra no hyɛ nipa koro nsa na wahwɛ no ɛno wɔ hɔ nyɛ obiara na ɛtumi hwɛ abɔfra sɛbio yɛhwɛ mu a ɔmo adwene mu ɛka ɔmo kakra a ɔmo no sɛ ɔmo wo a social welfare for no fa saa mmɔfra no ne afa mmara pan so ne aka obi ne yɛde no ama no na nipa koro ahwɛ no nti nyɛ obiara
wadama wokɔ baabi a yɛ ana wo hu sɛ baatan bi anaa papa tan bi tete ne ba yɛtumi gye akwadaa no firi wɔn nsɛm yɛha yɛ putupuru yɛ yɛwɔ mu yɛni saa facility no kwan bɛn so ne yɛbɛtumi afa so a apart from sɛ community type of raising the child said they will say ebi ana maame ana papa no ntimi nhwa akwadaa no ne ya gina ma obi wo community no ebi a community ya ken ebe 10 households spend a forming community nti de bi aso obehu no obetimi na interact even at the blind side of everybody apart from the working no dem biom ne yebetimi aya ebe ma any parent or guardian betimi aya very conscious and serious say me yes ade ya yebetimi agi akwadaa ye free nsem
ɛno yɛ mmerɛ mu na ɛyɛsi etintim mmara no yie na yɛyɛ deɛ yɛfrɛ no sɛ fosterage register no na sɛ yɛyɛ a ɛno bɛma obi a ɔwɔ pɛpa sɛ obɛtumi ahwɛ abɔfra no wakɔ akɔkyerɛ ne din sɛ na sɛ bi a menya akwalaa bi a wɔdi mfie baako ɛkɔsi mfie du a metumi agye no ahwɛ no anaa mfie du baako ɛkɔsi mfie du nwɔtwe a metumi agye no ahwɛ no nti nya saa krataa no to hɔ a na social welfare for no nso ɛyɛ ɔmɔdwuma no ama no akɔ soro a na sɛ ɔmu no nam mantɛm anaa polisifoɔ nso boa na kurofoɔ no nso boa sɛ na sɛ bi a ɔwofoɔ bi de akwadaa bi kɔ ahohiahia mu anaasɛ atetee mu a ɔbɛtumi ama Oma adwumakuo a ɛsɛ ɔmo mu asote no sɛ aban Ministry of Gender anaasɛ DOPSU anaasɛ sragefoɔ ɛnsa bɛka saa information nso mo nsa ka saa information na social welfare for na active and empowers them to do no mo tumi afa akwalaa no free saa nipa kɔ no hɔ mo fa akwalaa no free saa nipa kɔ no hɔ a na deɛ wɔde ne nkrataa anaasɛ wɔde n'anim aba sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ abɔfra bi sei no ne ayɛ nkrataa wɔ ho na nipa kɔ nso atumi ahwɛ
agora ma me na wase bibia se kyerɛ mɛsa to nsa frɛ o
na damasi pii na yɛ so deɛ ma me yɛ nso ati ɛbɛhwɛ ne yɛdi akyire na papa no deɛ si yɛde ne tu bia yɛtumi de nato na ayɛ asotwe ama nkurɔfo because ahomete fɔdwa de kyerɛ me na kyerɛ sɛ masɛm nyinaa kora mentumi nkora mmie ma no nkasa mɛsrɛ sɛ mmerɛ a yɛwɔ mu ɛyɛ ahohiahia mmerɛ yɛnim sɛ bi a ahokyerɛ wɔ hɔ yɛnim sɛ bi a ahotete wɔ hɔ nkurɔfo ho dwa wo mu deɛ nanso yɛbɛsrɛ sɛ ma awofoɔ ɛmfa ɔmo niberɛ ne ɔmo bibiaa ɛnkɔsoɛ ɔmo ma so ɛdamase pii
Mesumeda Asepa Eja Berima Kwesi Amankwa, National Coordinator my NGO Coalition on the Right of the Child. Maminkwa Amaniso Namene opening Bright Apio Executive Director my Child Rights International. Mr. Apio Timinka Mache.
Joseph.
Wadama Bibia Bokode.
Oh, Nyamia Dum Namunso.
Nyamia Dum ye hoye. Pacho, Enfia Ben Sakwada dia Yetimitiano.
And not yet depending on near Bonima friends in developmental stages, you know. Korano Binya Korani Biwa, they pick certain things in the environment quickly until they are able to respond to it. Because those share the development at a point, you know, they are not conscious of themselves. Any activity that is natural or biological about them, you know. They tend to release it as any normal person would do it without any consciousness. In this Akora, I said you also call Ojan and I natural biological, you know, I saw responded to it without any consciousness. And I said your person or Joshua, those responses were but it do baby now say they are conscious of their own actions. I got say Obama signal say Johnson Edin and as a person oko and I say practice I wouldn't have femuno. If you are correct, you fear. If you are sorry, I know power. Multimedia will see chamber kitty so you know who is ana or a conscious of agonwa no ho do sa stage now of onya that kind of I think obeti quickly to go there. And you know all depends on the response systems now the better to when they gain that consciousness, you know, and so now they can respond to it. But beyond that, if extra Caribbean energy, a binum deal a bantam, a binum to deal a delay kakra. But whatever it is, you know, now depends on the kind of systems that or the two or if you go now a pick BB all the time. Immediately, we say what I say, on Wafa into a local fakra, they attempted to go and replace and as someone back to baby and as they be normally say, oh, and they say, Onumunsu, and I voted water, and at the end of this, we now pay a tina continuously all the time. Anytime you be bought to be out with that kind of red label and as any blue label piano, or person try say, oh, close, you know, these are all things it will let you know, say, the natural system that you create in the environment will let the child respond to certain activities. Now, ebinum kwadi or ebinum kwadi, timidi by 10 years, 15 years ago, they are not able to respond to it because as parents, no, you have developed laziness in them. They find it very difficult to respond to it because when they were growing up, you know, certain systems and structures, you know, were not available to them to use it. You know, they pick up those things and they behave accordingly.
Mpacho, your near facilities are a supported child raising. Ewo memuha.
You see, on memo as on minor, is debatable, kakra, and Oshe. We made a conscious effort. Raising a child, no, is a parental responsibility. Government has placed that responsibility in the hands of a parent. Until you expect to say, Akandia will be within the family system. No, a parent must make that effort. Say, anytime we be around, they will recognize who their child is and then provide those facilities, you know, for them. At least or more how they or more than them the outlook of the dino should be in a certain way. And I'm saying this in respect to those who are in the middle class and the elite class, you know. And then there are even in the natural environment where in the rural communities, there are a lot of available and children can easily respond to it. Those are the facilities, man. We don't need any straitjacket facility to say, these are the set of facilities that you need to be able to raise a child. It is the consciousness of the family to be able to know that at this stage, you know, these are the services that we need to provide. But at the national level, no, there's a need for standard. And on Sebio, we are missing in our laws. OSHA Children's Act now. It describes the processes for which the state, if we want to have facilities, are the things that they need to do. So, for instance, in any private person or have a school, a nursery school, and a kindergarten school, no, the state has prescribed the structure that is independent AC. So, to that extent, you know, you can say, state, you know, are making provisions. And when you go to the health sector, hospital, there are certain standards that will follow before you can give birth and all that. But beyond that, you know, we have made that environment loose to the extent that the only prescription that we give, you know, is a parent must assume responsibility for their parent without necessarily monitoring that responsibility to see, they are living up to that responsibility. And that is why, it is the law that determines the custody of Akoran, and it's not the role of the parent. And you will see that by that extension, the state has a responsibility over how a parent must and say to take care of their children and all that. But I think we have missed that process until when it happens that way now. The discretion is exercised by parents as to whether to determine it. I don't know. In most cases, lead to a lot of abuse in the family system and all that. Because we are customary marriage into office say the banners or more separate here, and it is a decision of the two of them to decide the custody of our child. Certainly not. It is a responsibility of the state to do that. And we've made a lot of things loose in the environment. It's leading to a lot of abuse in our family system, and then also against children who are placed within the same family system.
Pacho, asutwe ben yedema kwada ben at hot age.
Asutwe no it might correspond with their developmental stages, because the old Pekia at a point when they become so selfish. So everything must belong to them. And when I say one you would give them punishment that do not require it, and you don't need to do that. Ethiopia or say or no Felice Obidia, I say ODT or Felice so Bibita or no far. And so far one far nine was that is Sudia and now so Felice be obedient to us over Cobebia. And when they say they must naturally respond to it. And no, as a parent, you should monitor those selfish periods, to be able to know, say, they are just responding to a biological needs. Gradually, you have to walk them out of that situation. Indeed, it is not the responsibility of Akorano to know that but it is the responsibility of the parent or whoever is raising the child to place what is needed at a particular time the child must have access to. It is it is not said but one moment you didn't place it well for that matter. You have to be blamed for it. But there are certain stages and no you require a certain so strictly of kakra. That is the level I made describe as a recognition stage, because at a point, children must be recognized for the effort that they put in doing the thing that you expect them to do. And the child is able to know what is wrong and what is right. With your question, the maker said, at a level where the child knows what is wrong and what is right. And in determining that, a lot of things goes into it, but I'm not sure, your airtime can afford us to go into details of some of these things. But parents must always be conscious, the child is able to know what is wrong and what is right to be able to prescribe a discipline. It's not even punishment. It is to provide discipline for the child in order to do the right things.
Yes, my name say pictures here. You can't want some. I didn't some ya from me. We saw Sansamina and what me asha. You see what you come say Bokrum airline way.
My share picture no, and the center picture. To be frank, first time almost sending the picture no. Mam me feel say sa omo artist film no omo artwork ni bi no my, because I never imagined a human being will go to that extent. But having a series of pictures, I came to the conclusion that whoever did that, has a psychological issue, and we should not look at it beyond that. And I immediately know the withdrawal of Akorano from that person, it should be immediate, because I don't think that any normal human being would do that. Nipana or yes, I know. I think the person will need a psychological support, and for me, that is how we'd have to approach it from that angle. Deal with the person as a manner that it is, and if your system is able to deal with that now, then we can prescribe punishment for such a person. Because to do that to a child at that age is serious, and with all the narratives now, Jano clearly shows is both parents in Ankasa they are at fault. The conduct of Obano, for that matter, seriously, we have to look at it holistically. And that is what I would say is Papa that needs he has a psychological issue that we have to deal with.
Nanka me wombre bebre to say the wow state and anka yebo komono kwetire me pemre na fei. I think say matete a huge issue e wo ye memo.
Exactly. No crapa.
Big issue ye memo ha. E mu bebre no ye nhye dante ade na se. If you say wunya anyim oba na ma na woto ho na we your father.
Yeah. And it's not the case. That's because right. Fatherly role no is an office. And you know, and you know why would you know or your father. Naturally, no, the definition will give you that. But technically, a father must possess certain qualities. And if you don't have it, you don't have it. You can't be a father.
Mami now I say bright up here. Opening bright up here, executive director, my Child Right International. Parents in the baby cry nim and kwada pain expression. Kwada dibe 6 months cry, 1 year cry na. Said oye no hobia no, actually baby ya. We don't have the time to study. Yambano. I think sir I said we a father, we ma ben which and one mommy. If you're a father and your kids cannot get closer to you than their mother, you should bear in mind that there's something really wrong. Simple.
Yes, I'm crying your Diana.
The beginning, sir, also a quite with dear. T. And Kwada naturally and automatically when we are closer to their mothers. What I say? Adia Bakwa Ebema Yehuse. You near or your diala. Oh, that you are being a father.
Because
how close no see yenyi sa notion in feet. Okay. One said the word family FA. Okay. When you become a friend as a father, you must be able to have the ability to adopt. Okay. You know, it's met me abe wareo. Na me ambe wareo ni miniba. Yeah. As a father, I should be able to adopt Sankwadano for them even to forget their biological father. The emphasis okay. As I say, rate at which I will bat me ben wono. Say you are either doing something right or wrong. Sakwadabiano won't treat here on mail. Okay. It's a fact. You feel it. So be your banners on your banner. It's immaterial. Okay. Because we need your show. So what I say. First name say one bang too much and I say baby your banner kafa baby. I watch them. Many questions. My not going back. I was a bunch of catches a boy. Maybe I didn't know the other day. I had drink anyway. But some people are fine here. Come on. Yeah, fine. Hey, come on, see me come out. Come to the obit me. And I'm fine, free. As a gun. It's what you have for me. Umguso. Top and so do Mike and Nanka kind. Do Mike and plan no son your band. Menum. Okay. Now the mushroom. You're doing your mad. Nah, a FIFA for me this could be by last year. Scanner $500,000. No, side. Scanner was a knock of a legacy debt in Abano. Nasaska no money. Scanomuni. Last year the end you may 2019 the end normally 2019 some say operational cost into say a bedroom league any 2 million 1.5 let's 500,000 been and nothing ever no until we blow $1.5 million in that
first the forward in the end trim this season the 1.5 neighbor 1.5 under normal circumstances I think it's can be June but because of COVID last year the end last year the blue say
and no operation cost and I'm saying
league and so many other things.
Medu Michael off. Na almost one is will be called stadium light na or repair light in we know or 50,000. Stadium on some flood lights. Yes, back could be call off now. Nipana or call yellow. Yes, your G 50,000.
Oh, me, sure.
And Namo Park and Ayana, Sanko for Dwaso, yes, Ayana, and would have been a dear fum. And no Modiama contractor now be Ayana.
But Indiana, normally, Anna and Sinuna in charge of that. Anna should have coif in home. Maintenance and Yendunto Horn and the National Sports Authority. And to say, if in Cassa, yea, Omako Stadium, no, and intro, moment in Casamado Stadium.
Tell the woman to me,
holiday, and to say, be a copy, say, Omotra Scabia, as will be so a quarter of a bear one. Maso Mike and a jay. Maso Mike. Enjoy. Copy! Bommy uncle.
The concrete of sports, the roofing, the lintel levels and the pillars and the columns of sports, the furniture of sports, the lip gloss of sports, the lipstick of sports, the eyelashes of sports, the makeup of sports. Adom Sports, #1.
A break, Biasa Gukensi, one of whom Betway more than sports 100.